To make refinements and updates to your page, simply click Edit. For branding functions, just click on each function to make the changes. If you want to change the logo, click on the logo. To change the background color, click on the background color. Same goes for menu and subdomain. You can also change the title by clicking the title box to edit. To add content, click on any of these buttons: website, YouTube, Vimeo, or PDF. To use the content edit controls, hover over the bottom left corner. You can delete the content, replace it with an updated version. Now let's see how this works by changing the PDF to a YouTube video. So click on Replace Content, select YouTube, paste the link, and click OK to go to the video. Once the guide is up, click OK and confirm by clicking the green circle. You will be redirected back to the edit page. Now let's change the image. Click Change Image. Select an image from my images. Now click on the item you want to change over. You can also resize the image to show more of the top or bottom, and middle is the default. In Edit Title, add keywords to group content. In this case, we're adding the keyword help. You can also edit the title if needed. You can also manually change the destination link and image link. Once you're finished, click Done and confirm your changes. You will be redirected to the revised page. Just a heads up on how keywords work. Once you set this up for the items, all you have to do is click on a single keyword and you'll see all the related content grouped together for your convenience. Good luck with your page. Let us know if you have any questions or need any further assistance.